Shankwaila well done. Joe Cantel, Sino Afro. Hello, Dadyaha, Woshi, Foster FATAKI, Kings Laoshi. Olaiza Sino Afro. Guys, hope you are doing good. And today we are going to learn another unease dance tutorial. Hope you're ready. Hope you enjoy the class. Let's start. And the first move is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After, change side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After here, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After here 8, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After bounce, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After here, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After here, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After here, we're gonna do 1, jump, ta, ta, jump, and 1, 2, 3, 4. After here, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After here, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After here, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bounce, bounce, bounce. After here, a little bit freestyle. After freestyle, then again from jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. After step 1, step 2, step 3, step side 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. When we reach here, again, 1, 2, doom, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and another little bit freestyle. After freestyle, again from jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and finish. Thank you guys for watching. Washi Foster FATAKI Kings Laushi Oliza Sino Afro. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe our pages. Thank you for watching. See you next time. God bless you and protect you. We love you guys more and more and more. We respect you guys. Thank you so much. See you next time.